part of it you will have to remember. ये वाला diagram आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. What does this diagram say? Whenever we have a dual connection, whenever we are using two switches to operate one point, when I am using two switches to operate one point, why would I make such a point? Why would we need it? We are going to need it because not others. We need it because it is approachable. एक तरफ से अगर on है, दूसरी तरफ से कोई भी plug करो, ऊपर करो या नीचे करो, off ही होना चाहिए. दूसरे तरफ पे अगर ऑफ है बट लाइट जल रहा है, उसको ऑन करेंगे तो लाइट बंद हो जाना चाहिए. सो इट डज नॉट मैटर इफ द कन्वेंशनल ऑन साइड वेयर इन द प्लग इज डाउन फेसिंग डाउन और द कन्वेंशनल ऑफ साइड शुड रिप्रेजेंट ऑन एंड ऑफ स्टेटस. Another application of it is what? If we have long hallways or if we have stairs, whenever there is a staircase, it's a long sort of a journey. And definitely you are walking up and coming down. It is not an easy task for everyone. So in long staircases there is always a bulb in the middle. अभी middle में अगर bulb है, मैं अगर उसका switch कहाँ लगाऊंगी? Middle में लगाऊंगी, left पे लगाऊंगी या right पे? Top पे या bottom में? Let's see. So top पे लगा दिया तो बंद कर दिया तो नीचे गिर गए, मर गए. फिर नीचे आके अगर बंद कर दिया, नीचे आ गए, नीचे आके बंद करते हैं. That is the only option that I have. But that is not the best option one can use, right? So in our house we always had that system. कि नीचे आ जाओ, नीचे आके लाइट बंद करो. That is the safest thing we can do. बीच से भी अगर लाइट बंद कर दिया तो क्या होगा? बीच से लाइट बंद कर दिया तो बाकी रास्ता half of your staircase is still you have to cover that, but it's going to be dark. So what are you going to do about that? You will still fall down. Are you following what I am saying? And if I have to go up, I have entered, I have gone to the next floor. मैंने light turn on कर दिया, I have gone to the next floor altogether. Now I have to switch off the light ना. Will I switch it on? Again come down, switch it on. Then again go up, switch it on. What is this nonsense? So we need a certain deliberate measure to have 2 points in such extremes that switch can be of that appliance can be operated from both sides. नीचे से on किया, ऊपर गए, off गए. That is so convenient. So for that we need 3 connection points on both the switches. This is switch 1, this is switch. So what do I need in both the switches? 3 connection points. However, the wires are only 2. We have the live wire which I have shown in pink, and we have the neutral wire which is shown in green. Alright? So let's try to understand the mechanism. What should be the mechanism? What do we understand about switches? Switches are, if circuit is complete, current will flow. That means if the switch is on, the current will flow. If the switch is off, the current will not flow. Is it clear? In this state, can you see that none of the circuits are complete? If S1, S2, both are off. ठीक है? ऐसे करके टेबल बना लेते हैं. S1, S1, S2, switch 1 and switch 2. What is the first condition? Both S1 and S2 are off. So can I say no current will flow? So what happens to the bulb in between? Off. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am turning switch 1 on and switch 2 is off. Switch 1 is on and S2 is off. सर्किट कैसे बनेगा? सर्किट कैसे बनेगा वो देखो. हाँ, कैसे होगा? लेकिन बल्ब इज ऑन, लेकिन कैसे हुआ? कैसे? वो बल्ब इज ऑन. देखो, I am showing it by a different color, yellow. Let's see the circuit. What is happening is this A and B are connected, and after that it is going to this A. Instead of that, the connection that we will have now is wait. Instead of that, when S1 is on, मैं दोनों condition बता देती हूँ. 2 मिनट आप लोग बैठो. I don't want any kiki. I'll just make both the conditions. Wait. No noise. B C. This is switch S1. No mark तक करो. This is A, B, C. This is for switch S2. Don't talk, beta. So what will happen if one bulb, with one switch is on? I am talking about switch S1. When it is on, there will be a connection which is formed between B and C. Instead of B and A, अभी ये just stop it. Stop it. Just try to visualize this. ये switch है, switch को बीच में ऐसे रखा है मैंने. This is on here. This should be off. This should be off. Let's say this is your off. Sorry, this is off. ऐसे करके बंद करके रखो.
What is ABC?
ABC are 3 points, connection points that are made on these switches, dual switches. Okay. A, B, C में कहीं पर भी loop बन सकता है. So this is off condition ना. Off condition में A और B का connection है. On condition में A and C gets connected. What is getting connected? B and C. Sorry. B and C. B and C is getting connected. And here, this switch 2 is off only, right? So the connection will remain as it is.
Switch to
तो C
off
पे connect होगा.
So what will happen? Beta, please let me explain it.
Switch to BC off है.
Switch 2 में BC off है, switch 1 में AB off है. ठीक है? तो अभी क्या होगा? इसको ऑन करोगे तो ये कनेक्शन बन जाएगा. ये ऑफ ही है. So कैसा कनेक्शन बना? Same connection will remain. Only this has switched from this to this, right? So this is going to be somewhat the connection that I get here or not?
BC is still off.
हाँ.
BC is still off. That's why it's here. BC is still off. So the loop that will be formed here is these two will be connected to each other now. These two are connected to each other. Will there any current flow through these two? No, because it's not connected to the line. Who is connected to the line? B, C, C, B. This will go outside. This will go stay in the loop. This will turn the bulb on, and this will flow back to the neutral wire. Did you understand? Switch 1 is on. So switch 1 is on. Switch 2 is off. The bulb will be on. Let's take the third condition. In the third case scenario, what is happening? Careful. This is your last opportunity to get this clear. A, B, C. A, B, C में switch 1, switch 2 अभी on है, switch 1 off. Okay, which means switch ये AB पे ही रहेगा. ये off है ना, switch 1 is off. Switch 1 is off. और ये किधर रहेगा? ये अभी on कर दिया है मैंने. ये on कर दिया है तो क्या होगा? बताओ. कनेक्शन क्या बनेगा switch 2 में?
B से A जाएगा.
So AB connection will be retained, and C to C, no current flowing. So what will happen over here?
A is joined.
क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ, A and A is joined. Of course, this is joined as it is. So this will be your live wire. This is how the current will flow. If this is how the current flows, this bulb will be illuminated. अरे B क्या talk कर रही है? Whatever. This bulb will be illuminated. So if this is illuminated, sorry, I'm
बल्ब ऊपर है ना, like इधर से था एक और बाहर से आया.
वही मैंने बस यहाँ पे बना दिया. ओके ओके, I draw it properly, don't worry. A and A are connected to each other. Okay. Now what is happening over here? Here I have first second condition. Okay, live wire is over here. Live wire यहाँ से गया, यहाँ से A और B connect हुआ, यहाँ से निकला. All right. It came out of here. Now it got connected to my bulb. From after the bulb, again I go to the neutral section, and this is how the neutral wire is exiting the entire loop. Am I right?
Yes.
So now what will happen over here? This is also a condition where the connection has been secured. So the bulb will be on. This is off. This is on. So the bulb will also be on.
Both switches are on.
What? If both switches are on.
फिर off हो जाएगा.
इसको अगर ऑर्डर में करना चाहते हो ना, आप लोग सिर्फ इसी डायग्राम को मिस करते हो. नाउ लेट्स सी द कंडीशन. नाउ S1 and S2. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो, इस पे देखो. बोथ आर ऑफ. अभी मैंने क्या क्या किया, वो दोनों को ऑन कर दिया, तो क्या होगा, ये ऑन हो गया, ये ऑन हो गया, फिर भी कनेक्शन विल ब्रेक, कनेक्शन इज ब्रेकिंग. सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज व्हाट, स्विच 1 इज ऑन. स्विच 1 को ऑन किया तो क्या हो गया, कनेक्शन इज मेड, connection is made. BC connection is made. When switch 1 is off, 1 is on and switch 2 को भी on कर दिया. 1 is on, switch 2 is also on. So both are on, but connection is not made or not. Because ये AB connection बना दिया, इससे BC connection बना दिया. Next what I do is I switch off S1 and I keep S2 as it is. So S2 has made a connection like this, and this is the off condition of this, and this is the on condition of S2. Both are forming, it's forming a loop. So again, so whenever the switches are alternate on off, that's how it works. You can always do this logical steps by yourself. Just see, a connection BC बन रहा है तो connection होगा, AB बन रहा है तो current will flow, BC बन रहा है तो current will flow. एक पे AB, एक पे BC will not flow. एक पे BC, दूसरे में AB, it will not flow. And that's why it is important to note here, इसका on और इसका off are calibrated opposite. इसका off is A to B connection, इसका off is B to C connection. It is very important to know this. दोनों को अगर on और off को same calibrate करें, then it will not show the duality it is supposed to. What if it is built for? Is it clear? Chapter done? समझ में आया पूरा चैप्टर? बहुत हेवी इन्फ्लुएंस है ये चैप्टर का आप लोगों का नेक्स्ट ईयर में. पूरा का पूरा आप लोगों को जो इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एप्लीकेशन का जो पूरा पार्ट है, एवरीथिंग, पूरा वायरिंग सिस्टम इस पे बेस्ड है. इफ यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर, प्लीज क्लैरिफाई दिस. 10 से पास नहीं करना है आप लोगों को.